channel. During the summer season, everyone craves for something chilled drink. So today I'm going to show you two of my most favorite smoothies which are so easy to make, healthy and will help to keep your body hydrated during summer season, which is the most important thing during summer. I'm going to use blueberries as the main ingredient in these smoothies because blueberries have so many health benefits such as it is high in fiber, vitamin and antioxidants. It promotes brain and heart health and also amp up the weight loss. So let's get started. So along with the blueberries, you can change the second fruit with any seasonal fruits such as strawberries, mangoes, pineapple, avocado, etc. And about the chia seeds, I have already told you the health benefits of chia seeds in my weight loss drink video. So if you guys haven't seen yet, you can find the video link in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you later. Enjoy your summer.